ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଘରକୁ ଯାଉଛି। I am going home now. I am going home now. ତୁମେ ମୋତେ ଶୁଣିପାରୁଛ କି? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ସ୍ପଷ୍ଟ ଶୁଣିପାରୁଛି। I can hear you clearly. I can hear you clearly. ଦୟାକରି ଧୀରେ କୁହ। Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. ମୁଁ ଭୁଲି ଯାଇଥିଲି। I forgot. I forgot. ଆଉ ଥରେ କୁହ। Say it again. Say it again. ମୋତେ ମନେ ଅଛି। I remember. I remember. ଏହା ବହୁତ ଜରୁରୀ। It is very important. It is very important. ମୋତେ ଟିକିଏ ସମୟ ଦିଅ। Give me some time. Give me some time. ମୁଁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ନୁହେଁ। I am not ready. I am not ready. ମୁଁ ବାହାରେ ଥିଲି। I was outside. I was outside. ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠି ଥିଲ? Where were you? Where were you? ମୁଁ ଖୁବ୍ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ଥିଲି। I was very busy. I was very busy. ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ଭାବୁଛ? What do you think? What do you think? ମୁଁ ସେପରି ଭାବୁନି। I don't think so. I don't think so. ଏହା ଭଲ ଧାରଣା। It is a good idea. It is a good idea. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ସହିତ ଯିବି। I will go with you. I will go with you. ତୁମେ ମୋ ସହିତ ଆସ। Come with me. Come with me. ତୁମେ ମୋ ସହିତ ଆସ। ମୁଁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରୁଛି। I am waiting. I am waiting. ମୁଁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରୁଛି। ଶୀଘ୍ର କର। Hurry up. Hurry up. ଶୀଘ୍ର କର। ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଫ୍ରି ଅଛି। I am free now. I am free now. ତୁମେ ଠିକ୍ କହିଲ। You said right. You said right. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବି। I will help you. I will help you. ମୁଁ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ନୁହେଁ। I am not sure. I am not sure. ଏହା ମିଥ୍ୟା। It is false. It is false. ଏହା ମିଥ୍ୟା। ମୁଁ ଖୁବ୍ ଖୁସି ଅନୁଭବ କରୁଛି। I feel very happy. I feel very happy. ମୁଁ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଅଛି। I am sure. I am sure. ମୁଁ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଅଛି। ତୁମର କ'ଣ ସମସ୍ୟା? What is your problem? What is your problem? ମୋର କୌଣସି ସମସ୍ୟା ନାହିଁ। I have no problem. I have no problem. ମୋତେ ଭୟ ଲାଗୁଛି। I am scared. I am scared. ମୋତେ ଭୟ ଲାଗୁଛି। ଭୟ କରନି। Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. ସବୁ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। Everything is okay. Everything is okay. ତୁମ ବୟସ କେତେ? How old are you? How old are you? ମୋର ବୟସ 20 ବର୍ଷ। I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. ମୁଁ ଶୀଘ୍ର ଫେରିବି। I will return soon. I will return soon. ମୁଁ ଇଂରାଜୀ ଶିଖୁଛି। I am learning English. I am learning English. ଟିକେ ଟିକେ ଇଂରାଜୀ କହିପାରେ। I can speak a little English. I can speak a little English. ମୁଁ ଇଂରାଜୀ କହିପାରେ। I can speak English. ମୋତେ ଇଂରାଜୀ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ। I like English. I like English. ମୁଁ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ନୂଆ ଶବ୍ଦ ଶିଖେ। I learn new words every day. ଆଜି ମୋର ଛୁଟି ଅଛି। Today is my holiday. ମୁଁ କାମକୁ ଯାଉଛି। I am going to work. I am going to work. ମୁଁ ଘରକୁ ଫେରୁଛି। I am returning home. I am returning home. ମୋତେ ଚା ଦରକାର। I want tea. I want tea. ଚାଲ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା। Let's start. Let's start.